Good morning from New York. Kamala Harris exposed the coming blue wave and what it means to the mystic brain science progressive. Kamala has been exposed, yes, as the great prosecutor who will defeat the con Donald and become our 47th president of the United States. But that is not all. All polling is rolling in her direction, and the clock is ticking for fumbling, demented conman Donald to find a way to victory and escape jail. And that is not all either. The health of mind and joy of being in an America living up to its promises and increasing greatness is also rising because of Kamala and Tim. The rational mystic who studies brain science and research is progressive politically. The practices and understanding of empathy and awareness as applied to inner mind communication can be demonstrated, researched, verified, and can be seen as impacting in a positive way against damaged faith and love or emotional trauma. Any mentally ill, more symbolic than real individual can claim to be an enlightened, rational mystic, but their claim can be tested by how well they perform in the spiritual practices of empathetic and aware communications, especially in the attempts to practice this and inner mind communication practices taught on this channel. If you want to understand better what this channel is about, it would be wise to locate the latest in brain research, which is easily found on YouTube. Vote for greater love and joy. Vote for Kamala. Training in inner mind communication can be had by joining the Inner Mind Communications group in Facebook, which you can find in a link in the description section of this video. Practice of this form of inner mind communication is worth thousands of descriptions in understanding the spiritual process. Join our team by subscribing to this channel, sharing its videos, commenting, and joining in on our published discussions on Zoom. Make better, more loving communications and help bring peace and democracy to our world. May the road rise to meet you, and the spirit of love lift you to the heavens of your mind. Until next time.